doTERRA provides the highest quality pure essential oils the world has to offer, from the source to you. With a focus on purity and potency, our sourcing team searches the planet, identifying the best sources and partners for each essential oil. This global botanical network of trusted growers, harvesters and distillers allows us to source over 100 different essential oils from more than 40 countries. doTERRA works directly with local growers and harvesters to ensure they are empowered and paid fairly for their care and work. We join these communities in creating and supporting jobs through sustainable sourcing practices. We also invest in infrastructure and training and serve communities through humanitarian projects in coordination with the doTERRA Healing Hands Foundation. After an essential oil is distilled, it undergoes rigorous third-party testing. This CPTG standard guarantees that each essential oil is pure and contains no added fillers, synthetic ingredients, or harmful contaminants. doTERRA essential oils are the most tested and most trusted in the world, making them safe and effective for you and your loved ones. From the source to you.